Hello folks, welcome back to Farm Life SD. Right now, we're going to drain the gas out of the WD-45 because I don't like letting gas sit in there over the winter.
Well, life on the farm is kind of laid back. Ain't much an old country boy like me can't hack. It's early to rise, early in the sack. I thank God I'm a country boy. Well, a simple kind of life never did me no harm. Raising me a family and working on the farm. The days are all filled with an easy country charm. Thank God I'm a country boy.
That's my editor, my sister. Hi, Alice. How's it going? First, you take the fuel line off of the sediment bowl here. Might be metric, I doubt it, but could be. I guarantee I'm gonna get full of gas. Really don't want to run out to the shed. I know this is really excessive, but so I took the sediment bowl off. There really actually wasn't too much gas in there. I don't really know why, but at least now what is remaining in the tank will drain out because there's nothing there. Anyway, now all that footage of combining and feeding cattle.
You could drive and listen on the way to Watertown. Mama kept oldies playing in the kitchen, turned up just a little too loud.